All right, here we go. Good luck, Brad. Chicago Guy 23. Gonna do a box of WWE Heritage 2016. Good luck, senor. Buena suerte. Buena sweater. Break something after this, man. I said buena suerte, buena sweater. You didn't hear me? X-Pac. Buena suerte, buena sweater. 5 of 50. Your link sucks. Said I've been on YouTube. Maybe I need to restart or refresh or something. Nice! 'Cause Stone Cold said so. What? What? 31 of 299. That's got to be the best patch I've pulled you so far. What? I said patch, not card. The best card was that John Cena. This one was patch. Just can't get that Kiss card, man. Can't get that Kiss card out of here. Blame it on fun. That's all I gotta say. He stole that Kiss card right underneath your nose. Gold dust. Silver gold dust. 37 of 50. Come on, red border. All right, last hit. It is Bubba. Bubba Ray Dudley. 23 of 150. Wow, Jordan jersey number, eBay 1 of 1. Bubba Ray Dudley. No autograph in that one. Sorry, Brad. No Kiss card, no autograph. Ugh. Thanks, sir. Fuck just came here to say that.